So, bachcho, so let's read this question. Ethanol is prepared industrially by A. Hydration of ethylene, B. Fermentation of sugar, C. Both the above, or D. None of these. Now let us talk about the key concept of the question. Ethanol, जिसका molecular formula होता है C2H5OH, ethanol, C2H5OH, is obtained commercially by fermentation, is obtained commercially by fermentation. It is the one of the oldest methods. Fermentation is one of the oldest methods to obtain ethanol from sugars, and ethanol can be also obtained from hydration of ethylene. हम इन दोनों का ethylene. Now let us see the chemical reactions involved in both of these. तो अगर हम पहले बात करते हैं fermentation of sugar की. Now if we talk about fermentation of sugar, तो जो sugar in molasses, fruits हो गए, sugar cane हो गए, it is converted to glucose and fructose. So we can write the sugar in molasses, fruits, sugarcane, etc. are converted to zymes, are converted to glucose or fructose in presence of the enzyme invertase. Glucose and fructose in presence of enzyme invertase. Enzyme invertase. जब हम ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज को एथेनॉल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तब हमारा एंजाइम zymes यूज होता है. सो ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज undergo fermentation. A fermentation occurs in anaerobic conditions. Anaerobic conditions का मतलब there is absence of air. Fermentation in the presence of another enzyme जिसका नाम होता है zymes. Now if we look at the chemical reactions which are involved, let us see that also. In the presence of zymes to prepare ethanol. Let us see the reactions. हमारा पहला reaction होता है हमारा सुक्रोज जो होता है C12H22O11 in the presence of invertase is getting converted to C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. एक इसमें से ग्लूकोज होता है और एक इसमें से फ्रक्टोज होता है, दोनों का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम ही होता है. Now let us talk about जो ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज से हमारा एथेनॉल प्रिपेयर होता है C6H12O6 से हमारा एथेनॉल प्रिपेयर होता है यूजिंग दी enzyme zymes. So it forms 2C2H5OH plus 2 moles of CO2 is released. So this is the process of converting of preparation of ethanol from fermentation of sugars. Now let us talk about the second process. Second process है हमारा hydration of alkenes. अगर हम hydration of alkenes की बात करें तो हमारा जो केमिकल रिएक्शन होगा ये हमारा एथाइलिन है C2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 प्लस इसमें हमने H2SO4 लगाया. So it is getting converted to CH3 CH2 HSO4. Then when we hydrolyze this H2 और इसको बॉईल करते हैं जब हम तो this gets converted to CH3 CH2 OH plus H2SO4 is released. So this is the process of preparation of ethanol from hydration of alkenes. So हमारा both of the above will be the correct answer for the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.